Hello, my name's Laurie. I'm the tech lead at Blogosphere magazine. We are a UK-based influencer print magazine, and we run influencer events as well. So that's people working on YouTube or Instagram, obviously. So we would like to submit our app for permissions review. We need the basic Instagram permissions from the legacy API so that we can have our Instagram users log directly into our new web app. So we built this web app which expands our kind of print magazine onto the web. So it allows influencers to log in and create a profile page and then create a rating for influencer marketing campaigns they've done with certain brands. So I'll demo how the app works right now. So I'm logging in as an influencer. So we are using Auth0 as our authentication provider. So we plug in our Instagram app details, as you know. So I will log in with Instagram. And here we go. I am now logged in and I've read the profile data from Instagram to pull my profile pic. And that's about it. Obviously, it's really important for us to have influencers logging in using their Instagram handles, as it's such a influencer sensitive application. So yes, that's our submission. Thank you very much.